solve the next unsolved problem, and the next unsolved problem is problem number 11. Problem number 11 unsolved is if df is equals to 3x square y minus 6xy square plus y square dx plus x cube minus 6x square y plus 3xy square dy. Then show that the condition of dou m by dou y is satisfied. Then show that the condition dou m by dou y when x is constant is equals to dou n by dou y when x is constant is satisfied. This we have to prove. Now to solve this problem, let's go for the solution. The solution, what is the solution? Use the procedure that we are using for earlier problems. So compare this df with df is equals to m dx plus n dy. Write the values of m and n. So m is equals to coefficient of dx, this is equals to 3x square y minus 6xy square plus y square, and n, the value of n is equals to x cube minus 6x square y plus 3xy square. Once you got the values of m and n, now differentiate m with respect to y keeping x constant, that means this, and differentiate n with respect to x keeping y as a constant variable. So dou m by dou y keeping x as a constant. So this will give me 3x square minus 12xy and plus 2y is the partial differentiation of m with respect to y when x is a constant. Similarly, differentiate this n with respect to x and consider y as a constant. So differentiation of x cube with respect to x will be 3x square minus differentiation of second term with respect to x will be 12xy plus two terms we got the same. Let us see the third one. If you differentiate this third term with respect to x will be equals to 3y square, y as a constant, so plus 3y square. But that doesn't match your condition for exactness because both are not equal, the third terms are different. So there might be a problem or there might be a mistake in the problem itself. So this term must not be a 3xy square. In order to get the condition of exactness satisfied, this must be a 2y, and we'll get this equals to 2y only when here you are having, here you must have 2xy, and if you differentiate this 2xy with respect to x keeping y constant, you will get 2y. If 2y you will get, the condition of exactness will be satisfied. So this will be a 2y if this is the last term in the function itself or in the problem itself. So there is a problem in the, or there might be a printing mistake. So if this is correct, then the condition of exactness dou m by dou y when other variable is constant is equals to dou n by dou x, other variable is constant, is satisfied. But this will be satisfied only if the last term is 2xy, otherwise that does not give you exactness. But in the problem it is asked to show that the condition of exactness is satisfied. That means there might be a printing mistake. Let's move for the next problem. And the next problem is problem number 12, and the problem number 12 is, let's go for the next unsolved one. Next unsolved problem, problem number 12. If df is equals to y square minus y plus 2xy into dx plus x square minus x plus 2xy into dy. Check whether df is exact differential or not. This is simple one. We have solved a number of problems based on this. So compare this equation with df is equals to m dx plus m dy. Find out the values of m and n. So what is m? M is coefficient of x, and this is equals to y square minus y plus 2xy. Similarly, n is a coefficient of dy. It is equals to x square minus x plus 2xy. If we will get this, then differentiate this m with respect to y, keeping x constant, and differentiate this n with respect to x, keeping y constant. And if you calculate this, then either you will get both equal or not equal. So dou m by dou y, this will be 2y minus 1, and this is plus 2x, and the differentiation of n with respect to x will be 2x minus 1, and with respect to x will be 2y, so plus 2y. And it's clearly seen from this equation, we can conclude that this dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. This proves that the given differential equation, I can say thus, above given equation is exact differential. This is exact differential equation. Now let's move for the next problem. Next problem is problem number 13. Unsolved problem number 13. There are two subbits into it actually. So problem number 13. Show that the given equations are exact differential, and the first bit is 2x plus y cos of xy into dx plus x cos of xy into dy is equals to 0 is the first bit. Second bit is 3x into xy minus 2 into dx plus x square plus 2y into dy equals to 0. This is your problem, and what is asked? Show that the given equations are exact differential. So let's move for the first problem. We have to show that these are exact differential. So the first one, first one is this. Your df value is equals to 0 here, and if you compare this equation with m dx, so I can say df is equals to m dx plus n dy. And if you write the values of m and n, so m is equals to 2x plus y cos of xy, and the value of n is equals to x cos of xy. And if you differentiate this, dou m by dou y, keeping x constant, and dou n by dou x, keeping y constant, then you will get dou m by dou y is this is a 2x, so differentiating with respect to y, this will give you 0, and only you have to take the differentiation of second term. Second term is again having two terms into it, y and cos of xy, both are functions of y, so you should differentiate by using chain rule in differentiation, uv. So first function into differentiation of cos of xy is minus time sine of xy into differentiation of this xy with respect to y is x. Let me write x here. Got it? That means the value of dou m by dou y is equals to minus time xy into sine of xy. Simple. Now dou n by dou, sorry, this is not the final one. We forgot its differentiation one more time. So the first function y into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first is 1. So this is the differentiation actually, and differentiate this with respect to x. If you differentiate this with respect to x, again this n is having two terms, x and cos of xy, both are functions of x. So again you have to use your uv rule. If you use that rule, then first function x as it is into differentiation of cos of xy is minus time sine of xy into differentiation of xy with respect to x is a y. So let me write here only. First function into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first with respect to x is 1. And if you observe both, then it is clearly seen that the dou m by dou y at constant x and dou n by dou x at constant y are same, and hence I can say, hence above equation is exact differential equation. Exact differential equation, and it is proved. Got it? Now let's move for the next problem. Problem number 14, and I think 14 and 15 both are based on the exact differential equation problem. And problem number 14, unsolved problem. No. Second bit we missed. Let's go solve the second bit. What was the second bit? Second bit is a 3x into xy minus 2 into dx plus x square plus 2y into dy equals to 0. So equate this and calculate the values of m and n. So let me write directly now. You are also familiar with these problems, how to solve, how to calculate the m and n values. So let me write directly. So the value of m is 3x xy minus 2 and n is x square plus 2y. Let me simplify the first term. This will be 3x square y minus 6x, and the second is as it is, there is no change. And now calculate the differentiation dou m by dou y when x is constant, and dou n by dou x when y is constant. So differentiation of this with respect to y when x is constant is a 3x square Y is x is constant, that means this is 0. Similarly, differentiation of n with respect to y is 2, and from this equation we can conclude that dou m by dou y when x is constant is not equals to dou n by dou x when y is constant, and thus we can say thus the given function is not exact differential. Is not exact differential. That's all. Let's move to the next problem. Problem number 14. I think this is the last problem based on the exact differential equation. Next time we'll go for the next topic. So the problem number 14, unsolved problem. Using the condition for exactness, solve the equation. Using the condition for exactness, solve the equation. And what is the equation? It is given x into dy by dx plus 3x plus y equals to 0. This is asked to us using the condition of exactness. Solve the given differential equation. Now, how to solve this kind of equations using the exactness condition? Let us write this equation in terms of m dx plus m dy. And if you write in terms of, in this case, you should simplify this. X into dy by dx is equals to, let us shift this to other side, you will get minus time 3x plus y, and then shift this dx to other side. So x dy is equals to minus time 3x plus y into dx, and let us again shift on other side. So you will get 3x plus y into dx plus x into dy is equals to 0. Now this is in the form df is equal to m dx plus m dy, where df is equals to 0 here, isn't it? And now using the condition of exactness, we have to solve this problem. That means you are asked to calculate the value of f. Now in order to calculate the value of f, so this is, let us say, equals to a df, though it is equals to 0, but it's a total differential equation. As it is seen, it is in the form of fx dx plus fy dy, or it is in the form of m dx plus m dy equals to df. Now if you integrate above equation, I can say integrate above equation with respect to x, then you will get integration of df is equals to f is equals to, now integration of this is equals to 3, and the integration of x is equals to x square by 2 plus y into integral of 1 is xy plus c is the integration constant, as we are differentiating only the coefficient of dx, only one, either this or this. So the function is equals to f is equal to 3x square y plus xy plus c is the solution of this problem, isn't it? Thus, I think all the problems based on exact differential equation is a solved and unsolved. All problems we have finished, and next time we will go for the next topic. Let us stop now here. Thank you.